Dr. Vignesh.
Yes, sir. Vignesh.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank
How?
you. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Now, where are you right now?
I'm in my home, sir. I'm from basically from Tenkasi.
Okay. Now I could see the lot of wooden reapers. I mean, on
I
top of
live,
the ceiling, it's a very traditional. It's a very
it's a village,
traditional,
sir. Basically, it's a village. I'm from a village and it's an old house, sir.
and
So, yeah, fine.
it looks very good actually. It looks very nice.
Thank
Hmm.
you, sir. Thank you.
So in Tenkasi, what are you doing in Tenkasi now?
Sir, right now, actually, I'm just sitting and enjoying my holidays, sir. Uh, Actually, my SRship, I did my MS from Calicut Medical College, but from 2016 to 2019. And I had 1 year of SRship. So due to this COVID crisis, my SRship was extended till September 15. I came here by September 24th. After my NEET tests, I came here by September 24th. So I thought I can take a month off till I join my next super specialty courses. So I'm just simply sitting and relaxing in home, sir.
Now, I mean, are there water in the falls?
Sir,
Falls. Is the water in the falls?
Kutralam Falls. There is a there is water in falls, but due to this ongoing crisis, they are not allowing us to bath
Not
there or
allowing.
gather there.
So
So
you
we
are
can
in the
just go and see. That's it. We have to come back. Like, we can't
so
go
you
and
are
bath there.
yeah, you're in a very famous destiny of a tourist spot. Just awaiting the tourist spot.
Okay.
It's a very famous place, and so I mean, my place also is very close to your place in Sivakasi. It's not. I mean, and so
Sivas.
yeah, it's in Sivakasi, and
Oh, yeah.
so we used to travel to Tenkasi and Kutralam yearly once those days, and it's really a great place you are in. And
Thank
I
you.
mean, I really need to congratulate you and also to convey the best wishes of the entire faculty team on behalf of Speed for a wonderful and an extraordinary and a great achievement that you have done. And your score, I heard, was very happy that you got ranked number 9
Yes.
in NEET SS super specialty in plastic surgery, and plastic surgery was your keen interest. Yes,
Yes, sir.
am I right with all my data?
Thank you very much, sir. You're exactly right. You're exactly correct. As you
And
say, like to the point, pakka to
yeah.
the point.
So I just want to listen. We all, it's not me, it's all the entire faculty team behind this process and all the staff members. Everybody want to listen to you. And we want to listen to you from where you started your medicine, MBBS. Then you said from Calicut you finished um, your MS and SRship. And can we know about yourself? We want to know about yourself. You can talk about yourself for a few minutes. Then I will make a formal interview.
So myself, Vignesh, I basically did my MBBS from Tirunelveli Medical College, 2008 batch. From between 2004, I finished my medicine at 2000 by 2014 March. Then I entered into MS General Surgery. Surgery is my dream. So in my first attempt, I couldn't get surgical specialty. So I waited for 1 more year in my MDMS preparation. During that time, I stayed in Chennai. I was preparing in our MGR University library and those things. Uh, After repeated hard work, I get in my second attempt, I got general surgery in Calicut Medical College. 3 years of general surgery in Calicut Medical College with 1 year of SRship. Towards the end, I came to when I went to plastic surgery posting in my second year. I get some attachment to the plastic surgery. The first thing that gave me interest
Okay.
towards plastic surgery was basically an onco surgeon. The way he do reconstruction after he himself do reconstruction after his for head and neck malignancies. He is known for his head and neck malignancy. Dr. Srikanth is my first oncosurgeon to whom I under whom I worked in my
What is
first
his
year.
name? What is his name?
Dr. Srikanth. He
Okay,
did
Dr.
his
Srikanth.
MCH from RCC Trivandrum. So he's a consultant there in Calicut Medical College. After working under him, I felt like, oh, he's doing very good reconstruction. Then I went into plastic surgery postings. There, after working in the department, I got some attachment towards plastic surgery. I don't know how it ended up, but I like working there and I like to see the result at the end of my procedures. I like it very much. So
Okay.
I got the attachment towards plastic surgery, and then I came to know about speed through the actually in my undergraduate during my second year, first year of preparation, I prepared from some other institute. During my second year of preparation for MDMS, I have attended your class of about general surgery for a was 2 day class before exams. You conducted a general surgery class in
Okay.
2015, if I remember. It is just before one or 10 days prior to the floods. The
Okay.
class the class is extended till around 8:30 p.m. You were there taking class, so that's how I know speed. And
Okay.
from that moment, I used to receive messages from speed. So during my final year MS, I got messages from speed about MCH classes, NEET SS classes. And once I enrolled in NEET SS classes, I got the app, and I got to, before coming to class itself, I went through the class videos of the previous year videos. It was very, very useful for me to follow the class. And after coming uh, to Chennai, I attended the class of general surgery in Chennai. I attended a general surgery class in Chennai for that 1 week. It is very, very, it is that turning point from which I started learning. Till that, me and my friends came to Chennai from Calicut. We three people attended basically. So we started preparation only after coming to the class. That's how where when we know like, oh, this is our scenario. Just by reading Bailey and Sabiston and just by passing doesn't mean we are in forefront. We understood, oh, this is our scenario. We have to start learning and working. So the same thing, I started preparing with my notes, and still till that time I had notes of the class you took in 2015.
Okay.
So I before going to exam and all, I used to go through it. If some points they ask some points, I can answer and those thing kind of thing. So from February, I started preparing for NEET properly. AIMS was a disaster, literally. After AIMS, I just had a moment. I never thought that, okay, fine, I am not in the trot. It's definitely I am not in the line for it. Then I was attending your Bailey based general surgery class. So after daily Bailey class, and the stories you used to quote about someone during your class, that gives me, okay, right, fine, still okay. Lot of people who has failed yet tried and those things. Okay, let me give a try. No issues. I will give a try. I will read. I just went through the notes, what I learned in the speed class. Based on the notes, I started reading as you suggested, Bailey. I added points to the notes, and just I revised notes for the last 15 days. This is the advice you gave me in my MBBS MDMS entrance. You said read notes, revise notes, don't go for books, you won't get any points. So I started doing it. I revised notes some 3 times before going to this NEET assess. That helped me very, very, very lot. I haven't gone through any plastic surgery textbook. I just went through their images and tables. But I just went through the notes. I revised it twice and just went for the exam. And this came out to be this. Purely I will attribute to the speed center, nothing else.
Hmm.
This is the scenario, sir.
So, did you attend all the Bailey based evening classes? All the classes?
Almost I attended everything, sir. The thing I couldn't attend, I watched through the app, sir. It
Okay.
was very useful. Because I was working as a senior, and sometimes I will have to go to casualty to take duties. So once the duties will be by from 8 p.m. So the class will be from 8:30. So some classes I had to miss. So those classes I will come back the next day, and once the video has uploaded, I saw it and make a note out of it. I had notes the speed note itself. I had some 3 notes of your daily based classes. Then I went to daily, as you said, the tables and those things. Then only I understand, oh, this table has this much question in it. I just have skipped it last time while reading. That was a scenario.
So I think it was a lot of fun every day we had. I mean, when we discussed Bailey based, the way the people used to answer and the kind of discussion we had, and we were very sure that we are going to achieve it. I didn't have any second thought that you will have any problem because your standard of learning and your preparation was much higher. The same thing I was used to tell you in the class also.
Yes, yeah, you used to say the notes has to be the based on you add something to the notes whatever you read. Don't go behind something else. That was your advice when we attended our NEET SS class also. This is your first day advice. You spoke for some half an hour about how to prepare, how you ended up as a cardiothoracic surgeon, and how to prepare for NEET SS, and what to do, what not to do. The what not to do is very important. Like going behind classes, some other classes, yes, extra classes, nothing gonna help us. This notes is from the speed from your the Bailey based series is very good, sir. It is very useful for any candidate, even for a guy who is going for final year examination of MS General Surgery. I will advise them to attend and see the Bailey based class, because that gives a lot of confidence in reading Bailey itself. To read itself, it makes understanding Bailey more easier. And I thought I have read Bailey twice. I have attended the exam. I have passed the exam. I have read Sebastian. I have gone through short some pages. I have gone through Oxford and Greenfield surgery to some extent. So I thought I can, yes, I can come. And I remember you asked in the NEET SS class, does anybody know Greenfield? There is a textbook called Greenfield surgery, you asked. And nobody was raising their hand. I was very happy. At least I know I have gone through the images. That was my thought on hearing that question. But after coming out of the class, me and my friend were discussing on the way back to Calicut. Man, our scenario is very pathetic. We can't even imagine like scoring some decent mark. If at all you want to score a decent mark, we have to start our preparation. And the next week itself, we started preparation with the notes. We gone through the notes. After notes, we started preparing with Bailey based. That we started reading Bailey again properly. Then we understood like, oh, this much scenario, this much questions we have missed earlier. That is the scenario that happened after the class. Really, class is a motivating thing to start, sir. Then, unfortunately, before my plastic surgery live session, the COVID lockdown came, and I had to attend classes through online. That is a bit boring than this thing. Offline classes are obviously superior, because I can't move here and there. I can't just lay down and listen. I have to sit and listen. As you said, like, to earn something, you have to work hard. Yes, it should pain. You will feel tired only if you feel tired that you have listened and you have worked, and you will have the fruit. Will have the benefit out of your classes and those things. So online classes, basically, yes, I have time to listen it later, no issues. So I will just keep it. That was the scenario on plastic surgery classes. But it was very useful, sir. Plastic surgery itself, like, uh, I had the idea, I got the idea of what to read, where to start. Because before coming to Speed itself, I spoke to the plastic surgery residents of Calicut Medical College and my senior who was doing in Stanley. They gave me an idea to go through. They told me go through Sabiston, read Bailey. Then there is some our handbook, McGregor handbook is there. You just go through it. That is way enough for plastic surgery, is what they told me. I read Sabison and came to the class. I start listening to the class. Then I understand there is lot of thing beyond it, and it is very simple. Only if you attend the class, only if you have some knowledge or some exposure to the class, you will get an idea that these are the areas they are asking, and these are the areas that you have to see. But anyhow, I'm damn sure as a general surgery post MS candidate, I wouldn't have finished any plastic surgery textbook in the span of 3 months. I'm damn sure, because the physics in the flap and those in the flap, I couldn't understand because I have not exposed to those things. General surgery part, gastro part, and onco part, I have worked in the ward. I have seen the patient. I have followed the patient, so I know what is happening. So regarding plastic surgery, my knowledge is rather zero. It might be negative rather than zero, because I have some unwanted. It is not a pure message, as if like, சார் யாருக்குமே ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாத ஈஸியா சொல்லி கொடுக்க முடியும். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன், ஒன்னும் சொல்லி கொடுக்க முடியாது. அந்த மாதிரிதான் என் நிலைமை. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தெரியும், ஏன்னா எனக்கு இவங்க எல்லாம் இதை படிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, நான் இதை படிச்சிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு வந்திருப்பேன். ஐ would have ended up in some other scenario. ஸோ பிளாஸ்டிக் சர்ஜரி கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணும் போது தான் லைக் ஐ ஃபெல் லைக் இட் இஸ் வெரி குட். ஓ, இதெல்லாம் தான் படிக்கணும், இந்த ஏரியா கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணணும், இந்த புக் எல்லாம் பார்க்கணும். அட்லீஸ்ட் புக் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் ஃபுல்லா பார்க்க முடியலனாலும் இந்த கிளாஸ்ல வந்த டாபிக்கோட டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல இமேஜஸ் டேபிள்ஸ் அது பார்த்துட்டு போவோம்னு இது பண்ண. தட் வாஸ் ரியலி வெரி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல், சார். Seriously, without speed, I'm 200% sure that I wouldn't have ended up taking rank 9, and I was very much relaxed going to exams. My juniors and my colleagues were asking like, டேய் எய்ம்ஸ்லே ரொம்ப டென்ஷனா இருந்தா இப்ப எப்படிடா ரிலாக்ஸா இருக்கேன்? நான் நோட்ஸ் எப்படி தான் படிக்கிறேன், எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒன்றும் படிக்கல, நான் ரிலாக்ஸ் தான் போறேன். ஸோ நோ இஷ்யூஸ், ஃபைன். போறது கண்டிப்பா வரும். அண்ட் ஆப்வியஸ்லி லைக் ஜெனரல் சர்ஜரி பார்ட் வாஸ் ஐ ஃபெல்ட் த டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஐ லிட்டரலி ஃபெல்ட் த டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஏன்னா வந்து ஆஃப்டர் எக்ஸாம் எனக்கு கேலிக்கட்ல தான் சென்டர் இருந்தது, காலேஜ் பக்கத்துல தான் சென்டர் இருந்தது. ஆல்மோஸ்ட் சம் ஆல் மை ஜூனியர்ஸ் ஹூ ஃபினிஷ்ட் எம்எஸ் ரைட் நவ் அவங்களும் வந்து எழுதியிருந்தாங்க, நாங்களும் எழுதியிருந்தோம், நானும் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு மட்டும் 2 பேர் எழுதினோம். ஸோ வி ஆர் டாக்கிங் டு தம். அப்பா அவங்க சொன்னாங்க, இல்லை சார் ஜென்ரல் சர்ஜரி பார்ட் ரொம்ப டஃபா இருந்தது அப்படின்னாங்க. எனக்கு ஐ ஃபெல் லைக் நான் ஜென்ரல் சர்ஜரி படிச்சு 1 வருஷம் ஆச்சு, இப்போ இவங்க ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா எக்ஸாம் எழுதிட்டு வந்திருக்காங்க, நான் கிளாஸ் மட்டும் தான் அட்டன் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தேன். ஐ ஃபெல்ட் இட் வெரி ஈஸியர். அப்படியாடா, சரி ஓகே ஃபைன். நான் சொன்னேன், இல்லடா பரவாயில்ல, கிளாஸ்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி தான் இருந்தது. ஃபார் 40 ஐ வாஸ் கான்ஃபிடன்ட் அபவுட் சம் 30 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஃபார் ஷூர். ஜெனரல் சர்ஜரி பார்ட்ல ஒரு 5 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கெஸ் பண்ணி நான் ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடிஞ்சு. 5 நான் வந்து ரிஸ்க் எடுக்க வேண்டாம், ஓவர் ரிஸ்க் எடுத்து விட வேண்டாம் நான் விட்டது தானே தவிர, மற்றபடி ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 36 எல்லா கொஸ்டினும் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. ஒரு இமேஜ் பேஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு டவுட்டா இருந்தது. மற்றபடி எல்லாமே ஐ வாஸ் டேம் கான்ஃபிடன்ட். ஐ நோ திஸ் ஏரியா, ஐ ஹவ் ரெட் திஸ், ஐ ஹவ் லிசன் டு திஸ். கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கும்போது இந்த கொஸ்டின் நான் கேட்டிருக்கேன், வேற படிச்சிருக்கேன் விட இந்த கொஸ்டின் நான் கேட்டிருக்கேன், அதான் என்னோட சினாரியோ வச்சு ஜெனரல் சர்ஜரி ஃபேஸ் பண்ணும்போது. அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் 45 minutes ஆஃப் ஜெனரல் சர்ஜரி கொஸ்டின் ஐ வாஸ் கான்ஃபிடன்ட் லைக் எஸ் ஜெனரல் சர்ஜரி நல்லா பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஸோ ஐ ஹவ் குட் சான்ஸ் வித் பிளாஸ்டிக் சர்ஜரி ஆல்சோ அப்படின்னு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸும் இருந்துச்சு. பிளாஸ்டிக் சர்ஜரி ஐ வென்ட் த்ரூ நோட்ஸ். ஒன் திங் தட் ஹெல்ப் இஸ் பிளாஸ்டிக் சர்ஜரி அங்கே வந்த பிறகு நிறைய கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் கிடைச்சது ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் பண்றவங்க. ஸோ தே கேவ் மீ ஆல்சோ சம் அகர்வால்னு ஒரு ஒன்லைனர் புக் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அப்படி இங்க ஸ்பீட் வந்த பிறகு அப்படி ஒரு புக் இருக்குதுன்னே தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த புக் வச்சுட்டு வித் த கிளாஸ் நோட்ஸ் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் ஒர்க்கிங் ஆன் த ஒன்லைனர்ஸ். ஸோ அதுல இருக்கிற எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டாபிக்ஸ் அகைன் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் கோயிங் த்ரூ த டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ஸ். ஜஸ்ட் அந்த டாபிக் மட்டும் போவேன். டேபிள்ஸ், இமேஜஸ், இட்டாலிசைஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப அதிகமா படிக்க எனக்கு முடியல. இது படிச்சேன். திஸ் இஸ் த ஒன்லி எஃபோர்ட் ஐ புட். சீரியஸ்லி வித் த எஃபோர்ட் ஐ புட் எனக்கு 9th rank கிடைச்சதுங்கிறது இட் இஸ் பிக் லக். And just it is like a guidance from Speed, sir.
So really happy to see you happy. That's how. See, in almost now 20 years, it's my 20th year of teaching in Speed, and so year after year we could see people learning and going to the next stage of life. The kind of satisfaction is totally immense and great, and I really wholeheartedly wish you all the very best as a great plastic surgeon.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
And I invite you as a faculty to come and take classes in Speed, and the doors are always open for you. You please come and you can be a faculty. Surely, and you can teach students of upcoming students.
I would love to teach that. I would love to do it. Definitely, sir. Sure, sir. I will prepare a bit more decently. I will read the textbooks. I will make it more simple for the aspirants. And I know the difficulty in preparing plastic surgery, because only if you are in a very good center, you might have some exposure, or else the plastic surgery will be entirely new to you, and probably some orthopedics. So definitely the first thing we will have is aversion towards plastic surgery when they talk about fractures and those things. Only when somebody teaches it nicely, you will have an idea to listen to it. It is very kind of you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So once again, my wholehearted wishes and best wishes to you, to your family, and to all of you in your family. And Dr. Vignesh, what about are you married? And what is your status of marriage?
Sorry, sir. Marriage? No, sir, I'm not yet married, sir. Not yet married, sir.
Why? When are you going to get married? And I don't know, sir, now you have got your MCH also. I wish that you should get married and take on your personal life and your family, and with your parents, and with your upcoming new family yet to come. And I wish to all the very best and all the success.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much.
And we will see you as a faculty in Speed and as a great plastic surgeon in the country.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for joining with us. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.